Usumbut Menteri Rangba Ubadipet Yukatanat District Council Affairs Upa Preston Tensong Henikasni Ulalum Yuk District Council Khuborjylla Kentup Nadu Garo Hills, Janja Hills, Batru Nakasi Hills Autonomous District Council Banigren Halor ka Skim Junki MDC Naki Constituency SOR Lingba ka 15th Finance Commission Hakani ka Jinyalang Lawan Ban Shimenta Deki CM Batru ki Executive Member na Barok ki Laitli District Council.
With all the three district councils, along with the related departments like Urban Affairs Department, DCA, and then even from finance, we sit down about the issue of the implementation of 15 Finance Commission grant, recommended by the 15 Finance Commission to all the three district councils. But in between, we have a little challenges relating to the area which falls under the urban area. Because even the district council, we have urban area constituencies like Tura, like Shillong, like Juai. So what happened was, that schemes, that schemes recommended by the 15th Finance Commission. It talks about the rural area, which is to be implemented by the three district councils, and it was silent when you talk about the implementation of the very same scheme in urban area. So ultimately, we had a meeting today. I discussed with all the three district councils and then with the officers, and we have already requested the Urban Affairs Department to walk out if something can be done for the urban area MDC constituency in the entire state, where they will also be able to get the so-called untied or tight fund as recommended by the 15th Finance Commission. So we have already decided. We entrusted now to the Urban Affairs Department, and I've already told also to the Commissioner Secretary of DCA to be in touch, and with all the three district councils, I'm very sure we will be able to implement this same such scheme even in the urban areas from now on. So we have already told them to walk out at the earliest possible so that they can also participate, because you knew well that the 15th Finance Commission is ended up to March 2026. So we have left maybe only few months from now. So we have already told them that to walk out immediately and then make sure that this urban areas elected representatives also are entitled to get this recommended scheme, which was already recommended by the Finance Commission.